Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
National Testing Agency, or commonly known as NTA, has released the admit card of JEE Main 2020 January session. The admit card, which is now available in online mode, consists of various details regarding the examination such as exam date, time, venue address and more. Only those candidates who have completed the registration process will be able to access the admit card. It should also be noted that the admit card will be available only in online mode and will not be sent through post or to the candidate's registered email address. Steps to check JEE Main 2020 admit card. Candidates will first have to visit the official website of JEE Main 2020. Click on the admit card link. There will be two options to download the admit card. The candidates can use their application number and password to access the admit card, or they can use their application number and date of birth. The security pin also has to be provided. Click on Sign In. Using the download button, the candidates will have to download the admit card and save it. A printout has to be taken for future use. The admit card will also let the candidates know the guidelines that they will have to follow on the examination day. Careers 360 lists out some of the important guidelines that candidates have to note to ensure that they face no troubles on the examination day. Candidates are suggested to visit the centers a day before the examination so that they are familiar with the venue and estimate the time that will take to reach there. Along with the admit card, the candidates will also have to carry their photo identity proof such as PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport, Aadhaar card, ration card, Aadhaar enrollment number with photo. One passport-size photograph also has to be carried by the candidates. No electronic devices and personal belongings will be allowed inside the examination hall. Candidates will not be allowed to leave the hall till the examination is over. With the entrance examination closing by, candidates can also check some articles through the given URLs to boost the preparation over the final month. JEE Main 2020 preparation timetable for 1 month. Best books for JEE Main 2020. JEE Main preparation tips by toppers.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.